Welcome back! You should have already read the Topic 5 introduction and completed procedures 1 through 4. If you have not already done so, please pause your video and complete these steps before moving on. Number 5 is an app and unplugged activity, Spin the Wheel. Students will use the paper Caesar wheel they just made in the app to learn how to use the wheel. The Caesar wheel is a really important part of this curriculum and will show up again in every subsequent chapter. Therefore, we think it's really important that students understand the basics. We suggest you guide students through the first few slides of the app to get them started. Please follow along in the teacher guide and in the app while I show you slides in the app. We suggest you read these instructions and explain these concepts aloud to your students. Especially here, when the app explains the concepts of plain text, ciphertext, and key. We highlight this in the guide with an orange box and provide a script for how to explain the key. In short, the key is the uppercase letter, ciphertext, that matches with the lowercase plain text A. Students spin the ciphertext wheel to align the key with lowercase a. There's even a little dot above the lowercase a on the paper Caesar wheel to remind students that this is where the key should go. After you explain this concept, you can even have students practice aligning different keys with the plain text A. The example you see in the app is C aligned with A. The next slide in the app has you encipher the word secret. We suggest you do the letters S and E together as a class just to make sure the learners understand what to do. The key C is already aligned with A. So I can take a look at the Caesar wheel to see which capital letter aligns with S. I see that uppercase U aligns with S. So the ciphertext is U. If I look at the second plain text letter E, I can see that it aligns with the ciphertext capital G. I can click G to see if that's correct. If the learners get it, they can continue on their own, and you can help individuals or groups as needed. Please continue on in the app and do the procedure number 6 on your own. This is the last activity in the app for Chapter 3. When you are done, you will see the CryptoComics welcome screen. Please pause your video and resume when you get to procedure number 7. Procedure number 7 is the group unplugged activity, Jigsaw. I know I will need material 362, which I can find in the drive, and other materials. If I click the link for 362 in the guide, I see that I also need 4 envelopes. To set this activity up, you will print 1 copy of 362. Cut each group page into strips and put the strips into an envelope. Divide your learners into 4 groups and give 1 envelope to each group. Explain that each student in the group should take 1 strip of paper. They should use their Caesar wheel and the key given to decipher the message. When the group is done, they can work together to organize the plain text into paragraphs. Some groups may find it hard to rearrange the plain text strips to make a paragraph. You can help your students by cueing them to use the context clues in the paragraph, like finding the period and the commas, to help them rearrange the message. The material 362 has the key, with the entire plain text message. Procedure 8 introduces learners to a STEM job, Foreign Language Analyst. Foreign language analysts use cryptology in their job. Please complete Procedure 8 on your own by watching the video and reading the text for the whole class discussions.
This is the end of this video.